everyone, look what I got in the mail today. It was a vintage Midge. This is a vintage Midge, the head is. And I just took a body from one of my old Barbie dolls and placed it. I think it came phenomenal, the coloring, and with the head. So the head is real short. And we're going to give her a complete makeover and make her really look contour. I think first I'm going to start off with her face. I think I'm going to add a little eyeshadow on her eyelids, and I'm going to try to give her like some eyelashes, and probably draw it on the eyelash. And then I'm going to make her lips fuller. Okay. Makeup is all finished. Oh my gosh, I just put a little bit of blush, not blush, well yeah, a little bit of blush with a Q-tip on her eyelids, and I drew with the color pens, I plumped her lips up, and that was it. I think she came out, I think she looks so good. Her face looks so much better. It looks softer and more prettier. And I still got the vintage look of her, but just up to date with makeup. Next step. Next, I'm going to use this Barbie dress I have from one of my Barbie fashionistas. I'm going to cut the sleeves off and make them as accessories for her outfit. And I'm going to use them, you know, the main dress for the outfit. So we'll be back with the next step. Next, I'll be hot gluing some tracks from this 8-inch bundle of hair that I have, 8-inch track, and I'm going to cut and I'm going to hot glue the hair on her head because this matched her hair color phenomenal. This is human hair, and I should be back with another step. Finally, I'm going to pair the outfit with these beautiful shoes that I got in a shoe haul from my Barbie doll collection. Ta-da! All done. I love how her makeup came out. Her hair gave her like a kind of crazy flip, like a wild flip hairstyle. The outfit came out phenomenal with the shoes. I think she looks wonderful. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments down below, did I do a good job or not? And I'll be back with another video. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see in the future. Bye.